Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be filming another video for you guys today. As you read from the title, we are going to be putting coconut oil in our hair. So just to start off, I just want to say that my hair is very oily on top, so I am going to be putting the coconut oil on the bottom half of my hair. This is my hair about like 2 days without being washed, and as you guys can see, it's much more drier on the bottom. But if you're new to my channel, definitely remember to subscribe. And yeah, I just want to show you guys first off which coconut oil I'm going to be putting on my hair. As you can see, I have the coconut oil, the organic coconut oil by the brand Crisco, and you can find this literally in any supermarket near you. The reason why I am trying this out today, or why this even popped up in my head, is because I have very fine hair, but it's also very dry towards the bottom, and it's grown out a bit, but it's very oily on top, which is why I will not be putting it on the roots of my hair. So if you have oily hair on top, do not put coconut oil, because coconut oil basically is to bring back moisture into your hair. My hair is very blonde, so it's prone to breakage, it's prone to damage. Again, this is the Crisco organic coconut oil. It is the refined kind. It says it's non-GMO. Not sure if that matters because we're not going to be eating it today. But here in the bottom it says it's no coconut aroma or taste, it's organic, non-GMO, and gluten-free. So I believe I got this for about $6 to $9 in my local supermarket. And once again, my hair is blonde, which means it is prone to breakage, and it's just always very dry towards the bottom of my hair. And I do have a lot of other hair videos on my channel, so if you guys want to check those out, definitely do, in terms of having blonde hair and taking care of it. But yeah, let's just try this on, and I'm really excited to see the final results. So I'm just gonna put on the coconut oil now, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now that the coconut oil is on my hair, I will be leaving it on my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and get in the shower and show you guys the results. But beforehand, I just want to show you guys that yeah, I'm wearing a shirt that I don't really care about much, that I use around cleaning the house. So you definitely want to be prepared when you're putting coconut oil on your hair, because it can get very messy. Also, just be prepared for very oily hands. You can use gloves if you want, but yeah, definitely when you're gonna do this, definitely maybe do it in the shower. I just have the best lighting here in my room. I'm right next to a window, so yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys, and I'm really excited to see myself the results of this, because I have very dry hair. I really hope that the coconut oil helps with my ends and make them just a little bit more smooth, just like my top of my head right here, which is I have a very oily scalp. As you can see, it even looks like I put oily. It looks like I even put coconut oil on the scalp because my hair is that oily. But yeah guys, I'm just going to leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll be right back with my hair blow dried and everything, so you guys can see how my hair looks like. So I just want to update you guys that I just got out of the shower and this is what my hair looking like so far. There goes my dog Rosie. I want to blow dry my hair and show you guys the result, but it's literally pouring rain, it's thundering and it's lightning, so I'm scared to plug in the blow dryer. But as soon as this rain stops and the thunder, I will blow dry my hair and show you guys the results. But so far my hair feels so nice, so soft, and yeah, I think I really like it. But look guys, it's literally pouring and the loudest thunder ever, so I'm waiting. I just finished blow drying my hair and my hair literally feels so healthy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it definitely feels very soft. Would I do it again? Absolutely. My hair is not all that styled. It's kind of like 90% dry. I still have some like wet pieces in the back. As you can see, I didn't even really style it like that. All I really like to do is with my fingers go like this a little bit, and it gives it like these nice pretty waves. But yeah guys, I'm absolutely obsessed. Like my hair feels so soft. I don't know if you guys can tell by my ends, but they feel really soft as well. And I'm so happy that I actually tried putting coconut oil on my hair. If my hair does look a little bit lighter, it's because I toned it in the bathroom. I do use Fanola. If you guys are also once again familiar with my videos, I use Fanola. I have tons of other videos on it, but yeah, it's still raining, which is why I couldn't really blow dry how I wanted it. But yeah, my hair feels so soft, it feels so healthy. And guys, can we talk about the volume in my hair? And look how bouncy my hair literally feels. It feels like I just came out of salon. I don't know if you guys can tell by my ends as well, like they look super healthy. I will definitely try this again. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys soon.